Hello friends, let us solve some examples from assignment for practice. So let us take like this. So find the roots of the following equations. તે આપણે બીજ શોધવાના. So the first example is x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Now see, we need to break this minus 10 so that you have minus 3. So let us see 5 multiplied 2. And if I take minus 5 here plus 2, એટલે કે minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 આવે અને minus 5 multiply plus 2 minus 10. So I simple easy read. So then you can write like this: x square minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore, in one bracket, you have x minus 5, another bracket x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 10. So, the roots are 5 minus 10, minus 2, sorry, minus 2. X plus 2 equal to 0, so x equal to minus 2. The roots are 5 minus 2. Let us take the second example. 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Now see here, very easy method. એક easy method આ રીતે આવશે. 6 minus 2 બેનો પ્રોડક્ટ કરો. So you have minus 12. minus 12 ના એવા પાર્ટ્સ કરો કે minus 1 આવે. So can we do like this? 4 3s are 12. પછી minus 4 plus 3. So minus 1. So this kind of example you need to do like this. So here it is 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore 6x square અહીંયા ડાયરેક્ટ આના જેવું નહીં થાય. હવે કારણ કે 6x square 6 છે, x square ની સાથે સહગુણક 6 છે. Here x square you have only 1 as a coefficient સહગુણક. So 6x square then plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. આ રીતે plus 3x minus 4x. Now take two terms. તો આ પહેલા બે ટર્મમાંથી 3x કોમન આવશે. What is there inside? 2x plus 1. અને બીજા બે ટર્મમાંથી -2 કોમન આવશે. બાકી રહેશે 2x plus 1 equal to 0. તો એક બ્રેકેટમાં 3x minus 2, બીજા બ્રેકેટમાં 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore 3x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore 3x equal to 2 or 2x equal to minus 1. Therefore x equal to 2 by 3 or x equal to minus 1 by 2. So therefore roots are 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. ઓકે, ક્યારેક એવું પણ બને કે આ રીતના પાર્ટ્સ ન પડે. લાઈક લેટ અસ ટેક વન એક્ઝામ્પલ, લાઈક એક્સ સ્ક્વેર માઇનસ 4x પ્લસ 1 ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. એટલે કે 1 ના એવા પાર્ટ્સ પડે કે જે -4 થાય, તો એવું નહીં થઈ શકે. તો આપણે શું કરીએ? સો ધેન લેટ અસ સી ફોર્મ્યુલા, એક્સ સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ px plus c equal to 0. What are the roots? X equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now compare with this. So what is a equal to? A equal to 1, b equal to -4, c equal to 1. Let us find b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. So -4 square minus 4a and c. So this is 16 minus 4. So that is 12. Now if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two real roots. Okay. So what are the roots now? The roots are x equal to minus b. B is -4. So minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac. So plus minus root 12 divided by 2a. A is 1. So this is equal to 4 plus minus. Now root 12 we can write as root 4 multiply 3. But you know this is root 4 multiply root 3. But root 4 is 2. So this is 2 root 3 divided by 2. So 2 to cancel, 4 by 2. So that is 2 plus minus 2 by 2. So root 3. So these are the roots. Roots are 2 plus minus root 3. Okay. Now sometimes it may also happen, because now we have completed whole syllabus, that b square minus 4ac એ નેગેટિવ પણ હોય, તો ત્યારે કોમ્પ્લેક્સ રૂટ્સ મળે. એક એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ આપણે. So let us x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. તો અહીંયા 1 ના એવા પાર્ટ્સ ના પડે કે જે 1 થાય. તો ફરીથી આપણે આ ફોર્મ્યુલાનો ઉપયોગ કરો. ax સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ bx પ્લસ c ઇક્વલ ટુ 0 હોય તો રૂટ્સ આર x equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is a here? Compare this here. So a is 1, b is also 1, c is also 1. Now see, b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac. A is 1, c is also 1. So this is 1 minus 4, and so that is nothing but -3. So b square minus 4ac, so if it is less than 0, negative, તો કેવા રૂટ્સ મળશે? ટુ કોમ્પ્લેક્સ રૂટ્સ મળશે, સંકર સંખ્યાઓ. Okay. So now the roots are x equal to minus b, so -1 plus minus root b square minus 4ac, that is -3 divided by 2a. A is 1. Now see, root minus 3. So you can write it is root 3 root minus 1. But in complex number સંકર સંખ્યામાં root minus 1 એ I થશે. So that is root 3I. So x equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3I by 2. So these are the roots. Okay. તો આ પ્રેક્ટિસ થઈ તમારી ઇક્વેશન્સના સોલ્યુશન એટલે કે રૂટ્સ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની. Next, let us take two examples for practice. Binomial. So let us take like this. Expand 1 minus 3x over 3. Now see, binomial expansion is there. So this is a power 3. So let us find the Pascal triangle. So it is like this 1, 1, then 1. આ બેનો સમ કરો, વચ્ચે લખો 2, 1. ફરીથી એ જ રીતે સમ કરો 1, 3, 3, 1. તો આ એના કોફિશિયન્ટ થશે. કેવી રીતે? આ રીતે જો a, suppose you have a minus b power 3, જો નેગેટિવ સાઇન હોય અહીંયા, તો કેવી રીતે આવશે? ઇક્વલ ટુ a ક્યુબ, પછી આ 3 કોફિશિયન્ટ minus 3, નેગેટિવ સાઇન આવશે, પ્લસ માઇનસ, પછી a નો સ્ક્વેર અને b, then પ્લસ સાઇન, આ 3 આવશે, 3, a નો એક પાવર ઓછો કરો a, b નો પાવર વધારો b સ્ક્વેર, પછી માઇનસ b cube. Okay, so this is the way. So let us see now. 1 minus 3x power 3 equal to a cube. So 1 cube. Then negatives minus 3 a square. So 1 no square and b. So that is 3x. Then plus sign plus 3 a, okay, 1 b square, 3x no square, then minus b cube, 3x cube. થોડું સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરી દો. 1 cube is 1 minus 3 3s are 9 and x. Now 3x square means 9x square. Okay, so plus 3 into 9x square minus 3x cube. So 3 cube. And what is 3 cube? 27. So minus 27x cube. So this is 1 minus 9x plus 27x square minus 27x cube. Okay. Take one more example. Expand x square plus 3 by x cube. Now see, plus. So a plus b cube. So plus sign is there. So every sign is plus then. So a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. So let us solve this. X square plus 3 by x cube equal to a cube. So x square cube, then plus 3a square. So x square square and b into 3 by x. Then plus 3a is x square and b square. So 3 by x square. plus b cube. 3 by x cube. Simplify. So this is x power 2 power 3 a power m power n equal to a power mn. So that is x power 2 into 3, so that is 6. Plus this is 3 x power 2 power 2, so x power 4 into 3 by x plus 3x square. 3 by x power 2, so 3 power 2 is 9, x power 2 here, 3 power 3 27, x power 3. Simplify. So this is x power 6. Now see, 1x cancel, 3 3s are 9, x power 4 by x, so that is x power 3. This x square cancel, so plus 3 into 9, 27, plus 27 by x cube. Okay, so that is the simplification. Now let us solve the example of sword. So let us write one example. Express following surds with rational denominator. રેશનલ ડિનોમિનેટર એટલે કે જે છેદ હોય એ સમય સંખ્યા. So let us take the example like 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3 minus 2. So let us solve 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3 minus 2. So now we can write this as 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 3 minus 2. Now multiply with this and plus sign કરી અને multiply કરો, conjugate કહેવાય. 2 root 3 plus 2, 2 root 3 plus 2. જો a minus b, a plus b. So formula is a square minus b square. તો અહીંયા a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. 2 root 3 no square minus 2 square. A square minus b. Now this is what? 2 root 3 multiply with 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 multiply with 2 root 3. Then plus 2 root 3 multiply with 2. So now this is 2 2s are 4. What is root 3 multiply root 3? Root 3 multiply root 3 is 3. So this is 4 into 3 plus 2 into 2. 4 into 3. 4 into root 3. Now this is 2 square. So that is 4. Root 3 square. What is root 3 square? Root 3 square is 3. So into 3. Minus 2 square is 4. So this is 12 plus 4 root 3. This is 12 minus 4. So that is nothing but 8. And simplify karo 4a. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 2. So this is 2, 3 plus root 3 by 2. 4 2s are 8. 4a 3, 4a 2. So 3 plus root 3 by 2 is the answer. Next let us take 1 upon root 6 minus root 5. So let us take now this 1 upon root 6 minus root 5. You can write this as 1 upon root 6 minus root 5. Multiply with root 6 plus root 5, root 6 plus root 5. A minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b. So this is root 6 plus root 5. This is root 6 square minus root 5 square. So this is root 6 plus root 5. Root 6 square 6, root 5 square 5. So this is root 6 plus root 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So answer is root 6 plus root 5. નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં આપણે આગળ વધીશું. થેન્ક યુ.